Speak the reality that you desire into existence. Hi there, everyone. Robert Zink, MiracleMentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Your words have power. Say it to yourself right now aloud. My words have creative power. Never underestimate the power of words. Sound is a traditional and powerful force in creating the life that we desire, the life we want. And it has been used since the beginning of time, since the ancient caveman stretched his arm up before the heavens and said, "I demand the sun." Words have power. True manifestors, whether they be in the spiritual world, the physical world, the business world, the personal world, they speak what they desire aloud, as if it is already present tense. They take what they know to be reality inside and they solidify it and bring it outside through words. You see, everybody on the whole earth is thinking about what they want. Everybody's thinking about it. We're walking down the street. We're driving our car. What are we doing? We're thinking about what we want. Listen, high flyers. True manifestors speak reality into existence. They do more than think about what they want. You see, when you're thinking, your thoughts can be muddled. They can be unclear. They can be wishy-washy, such as, I desire to have $1,000 extra come into my life this week, but only if this happens, and only if this shows up, and only if this takes place. We start hedging our bets, so to speak. We become wishy-washy with our thinking. But when you take what you truly desire, what you know to be true, you know to be true. High flyers, you know it to be true. A reality that doesn't exist outside, but it exists inside. You know it to be true. When you speak it from here, you move more than air. You move reality. You move the universe. And you've taken those muddled, kind of wishy-washy thoughts, and you've turned them into a powerful sword for cutting through resistance, through cutting through negativity, through cutting through counterintentions and disbelief and other people's opinions. You are manifesting because you are speaking aloud. So the secret is to speak your intentions aloud in present tense. You know, we see people and hear people all day long, all of us. And what are they saying? Well, I want this. I want a new car. I want a relationship. I want a better job. They're in a state of wanting. That's not invoking. Invoking is bringing that reality into yourself because you know it's true. Bringing that power into yourself because you know it's real within you. And then solidifying it into a clear intention and stating it in present tense as if it's already present, because in some parallel reality, it is present. And when you speak that word, you reach out. I mean, you literally punch through into a parallel reality, and you pull that reality that you desire into your present reality. And you manifest and you co-create. You are working in perfect harmony with the infinite field of potential. Never forget that you are a co-creator of your reality. And what you speak, because you believe it so strongly inside, must manifest outside. It's the basis of all the ancient wisdom schools. What you speak. But if you just keep it in your thoughts and you just roll it around in your head, it never becomes focused. It never becomes solidified. And therefore, it is less likely to manifest. I personally like to get up every morning and speak my affirmations aloud. Sometimes I vibrate them, but I speak them aloud because I am absolutely certain. You see, people that aren't certain about manifesting, about co-creating, they kind of keep it to themselves. But people that believe in their inner reality and believe that their inner reality has the power to shape outer reality, they speak it aloud. And they speak it with confidence. And they speak it with certainty. High flyers, if there is a warning to be given, it's avoid idle chit-chat. I have one client, when I talk to her, I mean, she's a beautiful person, a beautiful soul, but she must spout out an entire book in 2 minutes. I don't think she even knows what she's saying. Be a person of less words, fewer words, but make your words have power. Make each word, each sentence that you speak an invocation of co-creation and manifestation. High flyers, I'm going to share with you a secret. And this is a very powerful secret. If you will begin applying it, it's so powerful in the area of co-creating, manifesting, invoking. Are you ready? Here it is. Take your desire, your intention, and use your own system. I'm not giving you a system. Use your own system of taking that intention and distilling it down into one word. But the word cannot exist in any dictionary. This is your word, your secret word. And every time you speak this word, look up as if you were looking up to the heavens and speak the word and feel the presence of the new reality that you have created. It's very powerful. It's very magical. It's very effective. Create your own word. And I like to just take the sentence of whatever it is I'm creating and distill it down into one word that's only mine. I don't share this word with anybody. Nobody knows what the word means. I may write it down throughout the day as I'm talking to people or as I'm working, but that word is being invoked. And that word means that intention. It is extraordinarily powerful. Try it, use it, do it. Finally, one final thought in speaking your reality. Don't simply do affirmations. Live your affirmations and do them all day long. Let them become a part of who you are. Let them enter every part of your energy field, every molecule of your body, so that you literally transform yourself from where you were to where you intend to go. And then let it happen with clear invocations, clear words, clear affirmations spoken aloud. I have absolute certainty that you are manifesting the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health you depend upon. We're here for you. Thank you for subscribing. Be sure and click the bell icon. And if you need help, visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Have a great day, because you deserve it.